Yeah. Yeah. But he said 10 minutes. Birthday. 10 minutes.
5 मिनट इधर से बना ले आप।
बना रहे. Christian. This is mosque.
और चाहिए आपको?
What is the name of that mosque?
Name
Google. Very good.
Bayazet.
Huh?
Bayazet Jami.
Bazet Jami
Bayazet Jami, yes.
by the Grand Bazaar.
Grandpa.
Yeah, Grand Bazaar and Bazet Jami.
Bayazet Jami.
Yeah.
Istanbul University.
Istanbul University.
Yes.
Oh, mashallah, good. Then we are here by the university, Istanbul University. Huh?
Istanbul University left.
Go there and make a right. Oh, good.
Yes.
Mashallah, mashallah.
This is Istanbul University, Shehzade Jami, Fatih Jami.
Fateh Jami.
Fatih Jami,
Everyone are Fateh, huh? But we are loser.
very big. This is Hagia Sophia,
Which is?
Sultan Ahmed.
I city of where?
Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia, Sultan Ahmed.
Sultan Ahmad. Yeah, we will go there.
Hagia Sophia, Sultan Ahmed.
Mashallah. Mashallah. Beautiful. Can I take your video? Your video? Okay. Brother, what's your name? Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Yeah, you guided us. Thank you, sir. This is, what is the name of this
You
masjid?
welcome. I am
Masjid, what is the name?
Bayazet Jami. Bayazet.
Bayazet Jami.
Bayazet Jami.
And you said, there is, what is that?
That Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia, Sultan Ahmed.
Sophia Sultan.
Bayazet Jami, Istanbul University.
And this is train?
Yes,
Bus?
Tramvay.
Tramvay.
Tramvay.
Wow, electrical. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Thank
في
you.
عربي؟
English.
عربي ما فيش.
No, عربي ما في.
كويس. هيا صوفيا كبير جامي سلطان احمد.
Sultan Ahmed.
Yes.
MashaAllah. You Turkish?
Yes. This Beyazıt Cami, Beyazıt Cami.
Bazı Jami, yeah.
İstanbul Üniversitesi, İstanbul Üniversitesi.
Istanbul University, behind this.
Yes.
MashaAllah.
You are done.
Oh yeah. I'm waiting for my guider. Yeah, coming. Wow, mashallah. That is Jami. Coming back. He is reversing. Now he will make a right. Kachra truck. See? Bye-bye. ये ट्रेन नहीं है, ट्रैम्प है, ट्रम। माशाल्लाह। All trains are coming, going. See? One day we like to ride on this. Beyazıt İstanbul, no, Kabartas. See? Train, one, then after, that's called tram. Get it. Lot of people sitting inside. People are moving to one place to other place. Look, like a train ride. But this is not train, this is tram ride. Tram. See? Beautiful. Every 5 minutes, this type of tram coming and going. See? Behind this other tram. Old-fashioned, new design. But people are. MashaAllah, look, I'm still waiting here, showing you a lot of things. Very cool.